Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today is a very exciting day for me. So guys, I'm really excited today because today I'm going to a local place and I'm in Odisha right now. I wanted to go out and explore something which is around this place. I'm in Angul, Odisha, and there's this wildlife sanctuary. So I wanted to explore it, and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, enjoy.
बोटिंग तो अबे बंद अछि.
So ouch. So I hope you guys like the video. I'm really sorry I didn't know the boating would be closed today, and I'm really excited to explore many places in Orissa. So yeah, I'll be coming up with videos. I hope if you like the locations you would visit it too. Till then, bye bye. Shubhratri, Shabakher, Namaste.